Hello, it's Sunday, April 24th, 2016, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your week in review. Today, we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. After the Bank of Japan announced on Friday that it is considering more negative rates for bank-to-bank lending, the yen took a big hit before the market closed. As a result, the US dollar-Japanese yen rose by 2.13%, hiking up the exchange to 111.79 yen. US dollar trading was all over the place on Friday. The euro-US dollar lost 66 pips, dragging the rate down to 1.1222. The British pound US dollar, on the other hand, gained an additional 80 pips, closing at 1.4403. The Australian dollar US dollar currency pair closed with some negative movement, dropping 30 pips down to 0.7708. The US dollar CAD followed suit, also slipping on Friday, closing at 1.2672 CAD after a 63 pip drop. After a couple of weeks of downward movement following Saudi Arabia's possible oil freeze, crude oil is back up. Barrels of West Texas Intermediate went up by 1.27%, closing at $43.73. Brent Oil also recorded positive movement, rising by 1.30%, closing at $45.11 a barrel price point. Friday was a mixed day for stock and index trading. While the Dow Jones rose to 18,003.75 value point after gaining 0.12%, the Nasdaq slipped down to 4,906.23 after losing 0.80%. The S&P 500 closed Friday with no change remaining at 2,091.58. And that's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal trading consultant is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.